Now to the uncertainty surrounding the future of two hospitals in Delaware County, Crozer Medical Center and Taylor Hospital. A plan has emerged to keep them both open for now, but some people are unhappy with the process. Action News reporter John Paul looking into the details for us live outside of Crozer Chester in Upland, and there was a press conference, John, just wrapped up.
Yeah, Shari, wrapped up about maybe 10 minutes ago. You still see a lot of people are here. They're state representatives. I mean, these folks are practically begging for help keeping these hospitals open. They're asking the governor to step in. They're asking the state attorney general to step in. Anyone, even local hospital systems, to help them stay open. Now, we know that the Foundation for Delaware County did step up with a $20 million of funds to help them stay open. But that's only going to work for about 2 weeks. And the people here today want a permanent solution.
What's happening here at Crozer is harm.
Calls for a long-term solution today outside Crozer Health in Upland. Nurses, paramedics, and members of the community held a news conference this afternoon as they look to save Crozer Chester Medical Center and Taylor Hospital in Ridley Park.
We really need the support of the community to push this deal over the finish line.
I just have to keep thinking that we're going to get help from someone, because we're such a vital part of the people. The people from Delaware County really rely on Taylor and Crozer.
Prospect Medical Holdings, which owns the hospitals, is in bankruptcy proceedings. It announced in court last week that the hospitals may have to close. That could result in the loss of 3,000 jobs and critical medical services in Delaware County. The Foundation for Delaware County recently announced a deal to keep the hospitals open a little longer, but time is running out.
Everybody agrees that this is wrong to close us down, and that we have to come up with some kind of a solution to stay open. We just can't close.
Over the weekend, attorneys met to work on a solution with the debtors and the state attorney general, Dave Sunday. This morning, during a hearing in Texas, the attorney for Prospect said those talks continue.
There is no long-term solution at this point, but there are an awful lot of people committed to continuing those conversations.
Today, community members we talked to said closing these two hospitals would be a disaster.
In this community, we rely on this place, not just for medical care, but you have the employment. Half the people that work here live in this immediate area.
And people in the news conference echoed that sentiment as well. Now, Shari, there are two more status hearings in this case. Those are planned for the 19th and the 26th. We will be keeping an eye on it for you. We're live tonight in Upland. John Paul, Channel 6 Action News. Shari?
Yeah, so much interest, sure, in that community. Okay, John, thanks.